My name is Matthew Harbert, and I'm a third grade teacher at Rolling Ridge Elementary School. I teach all subjects. And I believe I should be part of the Loudoun County Integrator Network because for several years now I have done flipped math instruction utilizing Google Classroom. I have since moved on to mastery flipped instruction, which means that students get different homework, different videos, different lessons, different assessments through Google Classroom at home and at school. When we became a PL school, I moved on to must-dos and may-dos in class and took that concept and moved it even deeper into a playlist model where each student gets their own individualized playlist that they work through throughout the course of the week. That varies each week, but usually there are somewhere between 15 and 25 different options. I have a few requirements, and otherwise the students get to do things at their own pace using their voice and choice to learn what they need to learn in the way that works best for them. I've seen a lot of great videos come out of this, some great books. Students have blown up the Swift playgrounds, and they've been working very hard on coding, all at their own pace. I've also utilized Apple Classroom alongside Google Classroom to deliver content and to bring my students closer together and to help monitor them during class. It's a great tool to use, and I've led several trainings on Apple Classroom and Google Classroom at the school. I've taught the students that technology utilization is key and how to use it to actually learn what they need to learn. And in May, I'll be presenting at the Education Elements Personalized Learning Summit, facilitating a roundtable on innovation and risk-taking in the classroom and how best to help other teachers and administrators develop this. So hopefully you'll consider me for candidacy in the LCPS Innovator Network. Thank you.